Hi, this is Darren Powers, author of Future Vision, 6 Steps to Harness Your Passion in the New Normal. Maybe you got to the point in the book or the audio where you're looking for a demonstration of the Emotional Freedom Technique, or EFT. Leading up to this point, you have set some goals, you have identified roadblocks, and now what we want to do is clear the way. So here's how EFT works. I'm going to show you the various setup points, the tapping points to help clear the energy and allow you to move forward. So we start with the tapping points. So let me show you the points first of all. This is called the karate chop, 4 fingers at the base of your hand. Top of your head, you're going to go around 7 to 10 times, beginning of the eyebrow, side of the eye, underneath the nose, underneath the lower lip, your collarbone, and then about 4 inches underneath your armpit. And then we're going to end with the word peace to anchor the whole idea to your physiology. Okay, so now before you get started, it might be a good idea to determine where you're at from 0 to 10. 10 is maximum stress. We're going to use stress as the example because it affects everyone, and it's going to be generic. Now, your stress may be very specific, and you can think in terms of specifics as we go through this, but I may not say the same words. If I was working with you as a coach, I might understand what is happening, and I might play that back to you, and you would repeat it out loud as we go. And you will repeat out loud as we go, just for the demonstration purposes. Okay, so 0 to 10, figure out where you're at. Are you, a 9 and 8, very, very stressed, or maybe a 2 or a 3? And then we're going to measure that when we're done. So let's get started. First of all, we start with something called the setup phrase. And the setup phrase basically acknowledges what's going on and to let you know that you're okay. So it might sound something like this, and repeat after me. Even though I have this stress, I totally, completely like myself. Again, even though I have this stress, I totally and completely like myself. Even though I have this stress, I totally, completely think I'm okay. Now you notice I'm varying the language there, and you'll vary the language according to directions in the book. Okay, top of the head, all of this stress making me so uneasy. All of this stress beginning of the eyebrow, either side is fine. All of this stress, it's so uncomfortable. Maybe you can't sleep at night. All of this stress, I can't sleep, I can't think straight. All of this stress making it very hard to do my business. All of this stress, I am very uncomfortable. All of this stress making it difficult for me to live my life or to do things I do. All of this stress, so uncomfortable. And finally, peace. Okay, now you may go around 2, 3, 4 times until you get your stress level down. But since you have a measurement before, now close your eyes, take a deep breath, and then ask yourself, where am I right now? If you were a 7, maybe you're a 5. If you were a 3, maybe you're a 2, and that sort of thing. And keep tapping until you bring their stress level down to something that is acceptable. Okay, that's the basic idea. Now you want to go back to the book, considering your goals, considering the roadblocks or limiting beliefs. Go ahead and actually install this so that you can reduce the roadblocks and move you closer to your goals. This is Darren Powers, and I want to thank you for visiting, and thank you for reading the book or listening to the audio, Future Vision, 6 Steps to Harness Your Passion in the New Normal. Best of luck to you. Bye for now.